and this is my channel over here. You can subscribe to Danison Creations and get to learn more on my YouTube channel about Illustrator and many softwares. And Tuition Intuitions is the program itself on Danison Creations. You've got AI, PS, ID, and Premiere. Those are the softwares that we get to learn. So you get to subscribe over there, and you'll get to learn a lot of things on this channel. The tools, Illustrator, and many things that you need to know in design. So we have got Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, InDesign, and Premiere. So today we're going to learn about the paintbrush tool. The paintbrush tool is primarily used for drawing freehand parts with customizable brush strokes. So it's found here. Just come here. Yeah, the paintbrush is over here. So it's just easy, just draw anything you want. These are strokes, freehand parts, it's customizable brush strokes. So that is what you do. You can begin like that, okay? Then so long as here is a stroke like that, then so long as you can do that, do that, do that, do that, do that, yeah, like that. That is a person. See, there's that, and you can take that and still use the paintbrush like that. Okay, see, that is that. And yeah, these are just strokes. This is a person in short, a young child, and carrying a ball like that. Yeah, so it's just simple like that. Used for drawing freehand parts with customizable brush stroke. These strokes you can change even color over here, so you can change stroke color over there like that. Even the ball can change. You just take direct selection like that, yeah, and click on the edge over there. Then you can reduce even that or add that, it depends. Then it can be uniform like that. You can put a normal brush like that. Yeah, so that's how we use that. You can change color like that and put that over there. Even that one, you can do that and put that over there. You can customize even here. So if you come here and you even take the leg and you come here and you rotate like this, you can make that change like that. Even that you can do like that and make that change over there. So this guy seems like he's jumping. Can reduce like that, and do that. We have that over there. So that is the paintbrush tool. It is just found here. We've got the paintbrush, which is B, the shortcut, and the blob brush. So it's just drawing. You can draw anything. Delete. Paintbrush. Make sure it's solid like that. So it can be even a car like that. Like that. Like that. Like that. That. Like that over there. Just drag. You drag while you draw. Just freehand. It is freehand, and that's a simple vehicle over there. Yeah, if you want to change color, you can even change the color of this like that, or you can draw that like that. Yeah, and select that, click that, interchange the swap and the fill, and you have that. Yeah, but it's for drawing basically strokes. Deleting is just select from both and delete. So you have that over there. That is the paintbrush tool in short. So we also have the blob brush. The blob brush is just same to the paintbrush. The blob brush allows user to draw filled shapes that can merge with other overlapping shapes of the same color. So the blob brush is over here as well. So you have that, you have that, you have that, you have that. You know that those are people. That. Mm-hmm. Yeah, those are people. So it merges the two. So the difference between the blob and the pen, the blob brush, this one's become one. You can merge the tools of different colors. So long as they touch the edge, you can merge them. So these ones can change into one color like blue because they are together. You see? So basically, if you maybe blow brush, come here, take that, you do that, like that. Yeah, so it merges together like that, like that, then like that, like that. So just drag and draw that, like that. So that is a car. So it becomes one. Those that are joined together, merging, merge with other shapes, merge with other shapes overlapping the same color. So these ones are the same, but these ones are different. So you can just shift and take these ones like that, and you take that, you put red, maybe red, and then you do that. Yeah, so those are that. So that is the basic function of that one. So that is how the blob brush works. So thank you for watching. So that's the difference between the paint. Paint is for strokes, and blob is for same shapes. It combines shapes together. So this one can be that over there like that. So thank you for watching, and continue subscribing to my channel. Over there, all these ones will be able to learn, but Illustrator first is the first in the program. And stay tuned as I upload. You will keep on subscribing to my YouTube channel. So thank you for watching, and